Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, December is round the corner and we have been listening to this song all around the city. और हम बचपन से ये सॉन्ग अपने स्कूल्स में, चर्चेस में सुनते आ रहे हैं. बट डू वी रियली नो द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑल द वर्ड्स इन दिस सॉन्ग? नो, राइट? सो आज हम बात करेंगे इस ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग के ऐसे 5 वर्ड्स की जिनके मीनिंग हमें आज तक नहीं पता थे. वेलकम टू अ वेरी क्रिसमसी सेशन विद हर्षिता बत्रा, योर इंग्लिश पार्टनर फॉर टुडे. So let's start with the first word of the song Jingle Bells, and the word is jingle. So jingle is the sound which comes when two metallics rub each other, like the ring of a bell. And our next word is dashing. So dashing can be used in 2 ways. It can be used as an adjective. So if you want to compliment somebody, you can say, "You look very dashing." But here it is used as a verb, which means to move fast, like dashing through the snow means moving fast through the snow. And our next word is sleigh. So you have seen the Santa going on a sleigh all around the snow. Sleigh means a sledge drawn by either horses or reindeers, especially to carry the passengers. And our fourth word is or. Or is just a contraction of a very common word that we use, over. O-V-E-R. Moving on to our next word, Bobtail, which means a well-groomed horse tail. So keep all these words in your mind the next time you're listening to this song or trying to sing it. I'm signing off for today, but I'll be back with another interesting video for you all. Till then, Merry Christmas!